Hi everyone, this is Miss Meri. I'm getting on here today to talk to you about shapes. So I have these little blocks. You might recognize them because we've had some in our classroom and we've played with them a lot. So I've got a bunch of little shape blocks that we're going to use today. And I want you to help me figure out what kind of features these shapes have. They will come out of the bag. Okay. So I just grabbed some shapes and I am gonna close my eyes and I'm gonna pick one. So this shape is called a what? This shape is a square. So a square is special because it has 4 sides that are all the same length and 4 angles that are all the same. Squares can be really small like this one, or they can be really big. Can you find some squares in your house? I have a picture frame that is a square, and I see an Amazon box that is a square. What do you see that's a square? Here, let's see, close my eyes. The next shape that I'm gonna pick up is what shape is that? It's really teeny tiny. This shape is a triangle. So a triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Triangles can be all different sizes. This one is an equilateral triangle. That means all the sides are the same length and all the angles are the same. But not all triangles look the same. I don't see any triangles in my house. But do you see any triangles in your house? Look around, see if you can see any triangles. Okay, the next shape that we're gonna do is, let me think. We already did that one. This one. Oh man. This shape has lots of sides. What shape do you think this is? This is a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Yeah, what makes a hexagon special? How many sides do you think a hexagon has? Let's count them together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A hexagon has 6 sides. I was trying to see if I could see any hexagons in my house, but I don't see any. We will move to the next shape. This one we practiced just a little bit before we ended up not having school. This is called it's tricky. It's gonna try to trick you. It's a trapezoid. So something special about trapezoids is they have 4 sides, but they're not all the same length. So a trapezoid has a long side on the bottom, a short side on the top, and 2 sides that kind of make it look like a triangle, except for they're diagonal and they don't come to a point. So a trapezoid has 4 sides. Okay, now we have a What shape is this? It's a diamond or a rhombus. A rhombus is what we call it, but sometimes we call it a diamond too, and that's okay. So what's special about a rhombus is that it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it looks like a diamond. It looks like a square has been pinched and pulled to make it skinny. To give you an example, here's another rhombus. This rhombus is very similar to this rhombus, but what do you notice about it? Is it shorter and fatter? Or is it taller and thinner? This is just a taller, skinnier rhombus, and you'll notice that one of them is blue and one of them is this beige cream color. But these are both rhombuses. So rhombuses can be in different sizes and shapes. This one is like 2 triangles put together, and this one is like 2 long and skinny triangles put together. 2 rhombuses. So we have lots and lots of shapes. Let me put them on my hand so you can see. We've got a hexagon, a triangle, 2 rhombuses, a trapezoid, and a square. Thanks for learning about shapes with me today, guys.